let's get started. Are you ready?
Yeah!
You guys did an awesome job this year of reading. And I want to thank all the parents for bringing their children out to us each week and setting through our programs and things. Thank you very much. And thank you to all of our sponsors that we had, and I'll have a long list that'll be on Facebook thanking all of them. Probably Monday I'll get around to that, hopefully. And so, let's get this show started. Let's start with our teens. And I have a top teen, which is Justin. Yay! And then Naomi Woodward, and she's not here, and Dalton's not here, so we'll put those back. And the others aren't here, so we're done with the teens. Oh, Justin, you get to pick out a book. No. There are some good books.
Thought you were a reader, Justin. Right? You're supposedly the best reader of the teens.
Wait a minute. Who read all those stories? Who read all your hours? If you don't want a book. I have a whole bunch of teen books over here on this side.
Oh, there's mine.
That's it.
Yeah.
I just did one adult this year, and it goes to Matt Sutta. He's also responsible for helping with the slip and slide and the fire truck, and he does all the extra lifting for me. And Mandy packed it, so a lot of it has her stuff that she really likes, but I packed you something special right here, just for you. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to try to do by hours, so I'm going to do a little one, a listener first. First place is Faith Merritt. Grandma, will you come up and get this and pick her out a book? Get her a Kinder Okay on the other side. And then she gets to pick out a book for her. Okay. She's out of town, so next on our list I have 3 of them. They tied. And that would be Madeline, Rebecca, and Sarah. Rebecca. Okay, you guys get to pick out your books.
Go get a book.
Okay, and then next highest reader would be Major. And then on our listener side would be Moses. Yay! Way to go, Moses. Okay. Pick out your book that you want. Okay, next. We're going to start. Starting this way? Okay, we're starting this way. Miss Tamika did all this for me, so I didn't have to this year. So we're going to start with Keely. Is Keely here? Callie? K-H-I-L.
Callie.
Callie. Why do you do that every year? I know. A book, sweetheart. And then we'll go with Nicholas Griffin. Nicholas.
Like man.
There's my snake boy. And then Anna, she's not here. Riley Ford.
Okay, she's supposed to have been here.
Okay.
I was gonna bring her, but she's.
All right. And then we're going to go with James. No James? Okay. Joanne Cadron. She's in the market. Gabe. Yay, Gabe! And pick you out a book.
Oh, great.
And then Miss Mally. And pick you out a book. And then we're going to switch over to Miss Gracie Brown. Come on down, Miss Gracie. And then Payson, she's not here. Natalie Hutchison. Okay. Can you take that to sis? Thank you, ma'am. Pick you out a book for you and sis. Faith Stevens. Faith's not here. Jenny. There you go, sweet pea. And pick out a book. Mac Odell, come on down. Mac. What's your name? Come on down. It's better than the Price is Right. Here you go, sweet pea. Now go pick you out a book. That one. Okay, got it? Okay. Payson Miller, right here. Kiona. Jesse Stevens. Zayla. Zayla. Presley. Savannah Lee. Nolan Graves. Caitlin Hall. Jace Morris. And pick out a book. Gina Bradshaw. Jenna, right here. Chloe. Bollinger. Allison Stair. Chloe Lloyd. Oh. It's still saying that. There was yours? Oh. This is Lily McGinnis. You gotta get there you go.
No, maybe not.
Caleb Hall. They're not here. Zoe Stair. Autumn Anderson. Trinity Campbell. Gracie Lloyd.
Look here, Brian. You don't see how I hand it. And they've all got their microphones.
Sophia Lloyd.
And then Moses is going back there to say a little drill.
Emma Gown. Dalton. Isabella Anderson. Cody Cooper. That's it.
They never came.
Jenna Grace.
I'm just blowing up your guitar.
Madeline Thomas. Jacob Brown. Grayson. Isabella Anderson. You have lots of goodies in your bags. Did everybody get their books? Okay. Did everybody get a bag? Did I miss anybody? Did I miss anybody? Okay. Did I miss anybody? Go. We both got. It's just an advertisement. Okay, here's the rules, guys. Listen up. Nobody plays on the apartment playground equipment over here, okay? Don't want to see anybody over here on the apartment playground. It doesn't belong to us. We have a slip and slide. It's one person at a time. We'll have people there telling you when you can go. You've got all kinds of blow-up things that you can use to help you go down. But you will find that your belly is the best thing to run and go down with, okay? We will have fire trucks here at somewhere between 11 and 11:30. We'll have the first one. And then we'll get all the kids together and we'll have them to stand behind the plastic. So that way they don't run into the hose or
There are major rules for the fire truck.
Yes. So we are going to use safety first today because I don't clean up blood, okay? All right.
That's why she has me.
That's why the hose is out there to wash it all out.
Yeah, well, I have my EMTs here, so in case of an emergency, we are covered by that. But let's see, we've got slip and slide, we've got bubbles, we've got a table that's full of where you can play with bubbles, and we've even got a bubble machine this year that's going to blow tiny bubbles. So anybody that wants to sing the Don Ho song, Tiny Bubbles, is more than welcome to. We have food. We have watermelon, and we have ice cream, and we have some really magical icy pops this year that I'm looking so forward to because I really liked them and I thought you guys would too. Because you know I don't buy you anything that I don't like. So, let's see, what else do we need to do? Oh, I know, raise your hand, parents. Everybody raise your right hand. I promise I will not sue Shantae or the county or the city for any accidents that may happen today.
For any accidents that may happen.
Okay, I've got it on tape now. Okay. One more thing. Okay, kids, if you hear a whistle, stop. Because somebody's needing to be notified something, okay? Miss Mandy's got one and I've got one. So if you hear this, stop whatever you're doing. Because it may be an announcement that food is being delivered outside, or it may mean that we're changing games. Oh, and we may have a sack race here after a while. I'm so glad you're enthusiastic about that. We may make the parents do the sack races. How does that sound? Does that sound like a better idea? Okay, so Miss Alicia has got just a few things to say before we get started because she's going to have cameras that is videotaping everything today, so you don't have to get your cameras and phones out and get them wet today. So we've got just a few rules she's got. So the whole slip and slide will be recorded and everything. So that makes me really happy. That's one less job I have to do. So we'll let Miss Alicia do that today. And I'll turn it over to her.
Hey guys, so I'm also the president of the Friends of the Maynardville Public Library Club. I'm so proud of you guys for the number of hours that you read this year. It makes me super, super happy. So some rules. So for when I'm not at the library, we are on YouTube as This Homeschooling Adventure. And we have 2 cameras that'll be rolling today. I have my vlog camera that's been recording the whole award ceremony, and then we also have a water camera that will be set up outside by the slip and slide. Please do not pick up, grab, or intentionally hit the water camera. It's got a case on it, it'll be fine, you can get it wet, but please don't mess with it. We don't want it broken or anything, so please don't touch it. If you do not want your child on our YouTube video that's going to be shared with everybody, including the library, please let me know so I can get a picture of your child so when I'm editing, I can edit them out. And I need to know that like today, I need like before I finish editing. So that's it. Shantae?
Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah!